Hi guys, this is Diane Hogarth here, Millionaire Mom, showing you how to add the email opt-in to a page and link it to an email. So the email system is called Mailing Boss. So basically you need somewhere to send your new subscribers. So if you put test in here, you don't really need to put anything there. Test. And just put test in there. Double opt-in means they have to confirm the email. For this instance, we need single opt-in because we're going to try and check it. And then single opt-out and stick next. Here you will see we just want the email. If you want the name and the email, you can put name and email. Then you can put Dear John, Dear Claire. Okay. Down a bit. Save changes. Now this is your welcome email. You can actually drag all these over and have pictures if you want. But I'm just going to show you that you just put, you can just put here is your free ebook called whatever you want to call it. Up here, one sec. No. This is definitely the welcome email because this one goes out automatically. Just save and next. Right, let's see if this works. Okay. Right, get rid of this by right clicking here. This is just a blank page. You can delete it or you can use it next time and hide it. But I'm just going to delete it. Okay. If you want to add an email opt-in, there you go. Then I like this one. So you put it down here. I'm not going to change any of the text on this one because you have to just right click here. So if you're adding this into the Liam's 30 emails, this is what I'm doing it for. You configure your emails. Oh, I've got to save it first. One sec. Save. So this is a test. Test. There you go. Test 2 then, isn't it? Test 2. Whoops. Test 2. There you go. Okay. So the bits that you need to learn is send this to the right list. So we're using Mailing Boss and we're using the test. Okay. Now you can see that's just the email. That's if. So you have to configure your name, email in the actual autoresponder program itself. You can't do it from here. So the next thing that you need to do is, this is the most important thing in the world. This bit here, if you don't put anything in here, you will get this annoying blue screen which says with an email in, with your email in, and you cannot get past it. So when you're testing it and you get a blue email, a blue screen with your email in it, you need to go to this one here. So pending subscribe web address. So if I wanted to send it to Google, for example, I don't know whether that'll work. 1 second. Let's just invent something. Let's go to YouTube. There we go. So if we want it to go to YouTube or your URL, what you do, this one here with the feather on is the one that you're looking at. So I'm not sure if that's the right one. So you just put that in, look. So when we test it, it's going to go to YouTube. You can put it to a thank you page here, look, if you want to. But there isn't one in here, but that's confusing you. I don't want to do that. If you want to get a quick opt-in thing that goes straight to your link, this could be your link for you for a JV Zoo product. It could be your link to my interview with Liam. It could be your link to anything that you want to promote. And then you click confirm. Right. Now, this should work. Save. If somebody had explained these little boxes that went behind that, it would have saved me loads of time because it drove me mad. Right then, so I've saved that and let me find the link. Right then. This is called test 2. Okay, then you have to publish it for it to be able to be active. So you click more options, publish. So it's, oops. Okay, it's published. So we want to open that, don't we? Let's see if it works. I'm not sure if, so this is what we want to do. Let's see if this works. Because they've whitelisted my email now. Ah, oh, here we go. They've blacklisted it. Look, they said they'd whitelisted it. So let's do, if this happens, there's a website called Momal or something. Then choose this one here. And then you can see, where's my thing now? Let's just copy that. Open link in new tab, there you go. Hang on. There you go. It's gone straight to YouTube and you have your welcome email in place. So that's the actual box that came up that you don't want ever. You've got to remember it's pending subscribe, pending whatever those blue little lines. So that's what I wanted to teach you today. Click the subscribe button, hit the notification button. I'll be, anything that I learn and I can teach you really quickly, I'll be putting on this channel to help you understand builderall and get your business up and running. See you on the next video. Bye.